everybody, it's Kelsee Briana J, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing, swatching, and demoing the new Juvia's Place x Fumi collaboration, and I am so excited to be doing this review for you all because I have been watching Fumi on YouTube for years. She is an absolutely phenomenal woman. I'm so happy to see her have a collaboration because she is iconic, she is beautiful, she is over 50, she is gorgeous, she just became a mom, she's married, like everything about her is just awesome. So when I saw that Juvia's Place was collaborating with Fumi, I was going to purchase everything, but I got a surprise email from Juvia's Place saying that they had sent me the PR. So I was like, yes, like I love this. I definitely am going to be doing a video on it. So here we are. The package that they sent me had everything in it. Here's what the box looks like if you purchase the full collection, which is available to buy on juviasplace.com. It retails for $50. This imagery just is everything sickening. I love it. It's the Queen of Hearts. It has Fumi here, and I absolutely adore this. I think it is the coolest thing. They've made her into a cartoon, and I think it's overall just super dope. This is exactly what she looks like. The artist who did this is amazing. Like, they captured her essence, and at the same time it's still giving us Juvia's Place too. So in the full collection, it also comes with a bag. If you don't want to purchase the entire collection, you can buy this bag separately, and again it has an illustration of Fumi here. It's a pretty nice sized bag. Everything that was in the collection fit in this bag. So I love the red vinyl. I think that it is very cute. And here's what the bag looks like. I took everything out, but I'll show you. So there's the palette, 2 glosses, here's some foundations, there's a concealer, gloss, fit a brush in there. Like, it's a lot of space to fit things in this bag. Next, let's talk about the palette. Again, classic Juvia's Place imagery, but it has Fumi's picture on here. This one is called the Queen Palette. Fumi x Juvias. This palette retails for $15. Here's the actual palette. Again, it has the picture of Fumi on here. It's trimmed in red and white. You open up the palette, and then it's the same picture that they have on the box on the inside of the palette, and then here are the eyeshadows. So the description of this palette says, from the queen herself, Fumi desalu-vold. I hope I pronounced your name right. I really do. Presents Juvia's Place most iconic collaboration yet. Introducing the Queen palette from the Fumi x Juvia's collection. Fumi is an iconic in the world of beauty and represents the heart and soul of African vibrance, essence, and glam. The Queen palette features 6 unique, beautiful shades formulated by Fumi herself that create the perfect base for every look, from natural to elegant to glam. Pairs perfectly with the Fumi x Juvia's lip glosses and the Fumi x Juvia's Place makeup bag. This palette has a lot of rich colors in here. It has a bold purple, my favorite. It has the bold red. It has a pink, a coral color, and then 2 shimmers, so a pale gold color and a copperish color. So next we have 2 new products from Juvia's Place. This is the first time that they have done lip glosses, and in this collection there's 2 different colors. These lip glosses retail for $10 each, and again it has the same imagery, and the 2 glosses are called Royalty and Fumi. So here's the color Royalty, and this one is described as a neutrally gloss. And next we have the color Fumi, which is described as a deep radiant plum. And in the tube it looks black, but definitely I try it on for you all in the demonstration, and you'll see that this is definitely a deepened blackened plum color. I'm excited to show you all how to create this look using these products. Thank you again to Juvia's Place for sending these products over, and congratulations to Fumi on this collaboration. I'm so proud of her. I've never met her, but I love her. I watch her, and I just feel like she's like my auntie in my head because she radiates this positive energy, and she has such a contagious energy, and I love positive people, and I love the message that she spreads on YouTube. She's making waves and doing things. She's living her best life. So let's go ahead and jump into the swatches of this collection, and then following that I will show you all my demonstration, and then I'll tell you all what my final thoughts are on everything. So I hope that you all enjoy, and I will talk to you soon. Let's open up our box. So first I'm going in with the Wayne Goss 06 blending brush and the color Sister to Sister. And I am going to take this color above my crease as my transition color and buff it out. And this is soft enough to where it can be a transition color, or you could put it on your lid if you wanted to. Same brush, and let's dip into the color 7. And so I'm moving down just a little bit, and I am popping this color directly in the crease. It is very, very pigmented, so just take a very small amount, and let's go back and forth with this shade and create a little bit more definition in our crease area. But just a little tap will do you. Next, I'm going in with the same brush and the color Ula. I have to be really careful with this because I don't want any fallout. So lightly, I'm going to begin to tap this color on my outer corner and then bring it over to the lid. So just take your time, build up this color, because these colors so far have been very, very pigmented. So a little bit goes a long way. You can always go back in and add more. If you go in with a little bit, you maintain the control. And then I am bringing it up to the crease, lightly diffusing this color into the crease. Next, I'm going to go in with the color FDV Approved. I'm taking this color right on the inner corner. And then I also am going to bring the color around and pop it on the bottom inner corner. Same brush, and I'm going to pick up the color Glam. And then I am going to pat this color right in the center. So right here, I'm filling in this area that I left blank. And I am making sure to connect it to the inner tear duct color on the edge and then bring it up to the crease. I'm not taking it in the crease. I just want it to look seamless and you not be able to see where one color stops and the other color starts. Okay, so I added some liner and lashes, and let's finish off the rest of the lower lash line. And I'm going in with the color Adrian, named after her precious baby boy. Beautiful. So I'm going to do a little bit of eyeliner on the inner rim and some mascara, and I'll be right back. So the eyes are done. Now let's try on the glosses. I'm first going to try on the gloss Fumi. Ooh. Okay. I like the way this smells. It kind of smells like lemony. Very fresh. So here's what the gloss Fumi looks like. It's a really beautiful vampy color, and I like it because it's fully opaque. You don't have to worry about it looking patchy, and it still has a nice thickness to it without it being gloopy. So I like the consistency of it, and I think this color is really nice and sexy. Next, I'm going to try on the color The Queen. So here's what The Queen looks like. So on me, it's melting into my skin because I think that this is pretty much the same color as my complexion, but on deeper complexions, this is going to be the perfect neutral gloss. It is a very rich honey golden color, and I think it's a very beautiful color. It's the color of my skin. Of course I think it's a beautiful color, but for me to be able to wear it, I would have to go in with a darker lip liner to give me a little bit more dimension. I'm gonna go in with a lip liner just so you guys can see what it looks like with the lip liner on me. So here's what that color looks like with a lip liner. Much better on my complexion. It is still a beautiful color, but the lip liner on me gives it a little bit more structure and a little bit more definition. So here is what that color looks like. So let's talk about my final thoughts regarding this collection, and I'm going to say that I love it. I think that Fumi did a great job with Juvia's Place, and I think that everything was formulated very well, from the eyeshadow palettes to the lip glosses. I think that everything is absolutely gorgeous, and she did a fantastic job. This box is just iconic. I'm definitely keeping this, and I think they did such a great job on this palette because it is formulated very well. All of the eyeshadows are super smooth, and I am highly impressed with the purple eyeshadow Adrian, because it is so difficult to do a purple eyeshadow of this tone and not have it be very dry and unblendable. And this purple eyeshadow was very blendable, highly pigmented, and it gave the most beautiful color saturation. The red color is a difficult shade to master, and I feel like they did a great job. So congratulations to them, and I definitely am going to be using this in rotation as soon as fall starts. Fumi is definitely an inspiration to me because it shows me to never give up. If you are passionate about something, then continue to do so, and you you will be rewarded, and everything comes in due time. So congratulations to her. I'm loving everything. And let me know if you all got a chance to pick up this collaboration. If so, let me know what looks you've done with it, and I'll check you all in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.